On this video, I'm going to show you how you can withdraw your Hamster Kombat token. As you can see, Hamster is launching on 26th and off-chain deposit are now available Friday the 13th. So that's why I'm making this video, so that you can be early bird and you can get your own token. All right, so let's go straight to the point. Let me show you a quick method. All right, so once you get to your Hamster Kombat, once you open it, I want you to check below where you see exchange, you see mine, you see playground, friends, and airdrop. So I want you to click on that airdrop. Easy peasy. So once you get to this airdrop, you can see the date there. Airdrop listening date September 26, 2024. All right, so I want you to go down, click on points. I want you to understand something before we proceed. Now, passive income is very important. Please do your best to have a very good passive income. And tax is very important. All their tax, make sure you follow it. If you can see here, they say we are grateful for boosting our community, and we hope that you like our educational content, and tax help us grow and are of focus rewarded. Can you see? So make sure you do all that. The friends you invite to are the achievement Telegram subscription. So if you have Telegram subscription, that's a very good one. Keys, all the keys there are very important. All this will help you to get more coin. All right, so now I want you to change to click on the withdraw. So I'll click on the withdraw. Now you can see a list of stuff here, right? You can see a list of stuff here. So here you can see that we have KYC needed. So if you're into cryptocurrency, if you have idea about crypto before, I suggest you should go for Binance, OKX exchange, Bybit. You can see my own is marked as Bybit. You can see EBI exchange, on chain airdrop. All right, so all these you can decide to use one, but the next one I'm going to show you, review it to you, is wallet. You know, in Telegram we have what we call wallet. All right, so if your own is showing where the right wallet there, that is the exactly one that you are going to pick. All right, so the next one that I'm going to show you, you're going to see the wallet, and I'm going to show you how you can create that wallet in 2 minutes. Please, if you're joining my channel for the first time, and I want you to like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, so that anytime I drop amazing video like this one you're about to watch, you won't miss out. All right, so let's proceed. So the next thing I'm going to do here, I'm going to close my Hamster Kombat. I'm still coming back here. I'm going to close my Hamster Kombat. So if you are choosing Bybit, I'll close my Hamster Kombat. Now once you click on Bybit, this is what they are going to request from you. They are going to ask you for your Bybit UID. They are going to ask you for Hamster deposit address, and they are going to ask you for memo. All right, then this is all they are going to need from you. All right, so I'm going to go back now. So I will just go back to my home screen, then I will go to my Bybit. So once I get to my Bybit, this is easy way to withdraw from Hamster Kombat. All right, don't let anyone deceive you with different kind of tutorial. All right, so once you get to your Hamster Kombat like this, the first thing you are going to see, make sure you do your KYC with Hamster Kombat, so you'll be verified. If you can see, I have a very a green verified badge here. You can see at the top, verify ID, it's been verified. So the first thing I want you to do, I want you to click on deposit. So you are going to do it like you are going to deposit Hamster Kombat to your wallet. So I'll click on crypto, deposit crypto. Then what I'm going to do here, I'm going to search. Please select your preferred pair. So I'll click on search, then I'll click on Hamster. All right, so you can see here Hamster is out. You can see their logo, Hamster Kombat. So I'll just click on Hamster Kombat. So I'll click on this. Just give it time, it's going to load. All right, make sure that the chain type you make deposit to is the one you make withdraw from. So do you understand? There's a make sure that the chain type you make deposit to is the one you make withdraw from. All right, so you understand. So what I'm going to do here, you can see, to ensure a seamless deposit experience, please ensure that you use both Hamster Kombat deposit and Hamster Kombat memo / tag when making a deposit. Fail to do so may result in loss of funds. So please confirm that you are depositing Hamster to this address on the Ton network. So the next thing I'm going to do here, I will just click on OK because I understand all the process now. So now this is it. You're going to copy this, right? You're going to copy this. Look at this wallet address. You copy, you go to your Bybit exchange, you click on Hamster Kombat deposit, you paste it there, right? You paste it there, you come back, you copy this also. You can see this tag / memo, you copy it, right? You go back there, then you paste it, there, you can see. So the next one you are going to do, you come back to your Bybit wallet, then you click go back. You don't need this anymore. Then I want you to go to your profile. You click on your profile, you click on your profile like this. Hold on. Okay, let's do it this way. Once you get here, you get to this place, click on your profile exactly this way. All right, so you can see where the right symbolize. I want you to see UID, then you copy the number. They just click on it to copy. You can see copy successful. Then you go back to your Bybit, then you see Bybit user ID, the first one, then you paste it there. All right, so once you paste it there, you are going to request to Bybit. They say request to Bybit was sent after you might have sent it. Then you just have to wait for the exact time, the 12 days time that the airdrop is going to drop. And once the airdrop drop, reset withdraw options. So if you've done that before and you want to reset it, you can do that. All right, so this is how easy it is, right? This is how easy it is with withdrawing from Hamster Kombat. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video useful, please don't forget to subscribe.